From 2011 to 2015, Seadoo used a seat bracket on their machines that did this. Pretty handy, but when this seat bracket, which is plastic, ages and, as all plastic does, gets brittle and breaks, your seat ends up kind of not fitting right. So we're going to show you today how to replace that seat bracket so that your seat stands loud and proud just like this one. So pretty much the process is going to go that we need to get the seat removed from the machine so that we can get access to remove the old bracket, which is going to consist of removing these 5mm hex head bolts. So there's one on each side. When I removed these, one of the little rubber inserts ended up coming apart, so I had to replace that as well. Then once that part is removed, because the bracket is broken, the seat can be removed. We can remove the 6mm hex head bolt and the nut from the old bracket, drill out the rivets, then put the new seat bracket on, rivet it in place with new 3/16 inch aluminum rivets, and I use some nice little backup washers that are either stainless steel or aluminum to just hold everything on really good. Then at that point, get some help, an assistant to come and help you lift the seat back into place. We're going to put the 6mm bolt in first, then get our 5mm hex on the sides on those little pivot brackets. Make sure our gas strut is in the pocket where it belongs. And after all that is said and done, we're pretty much finished. It is really that simple. Everything that you need is linked down in the description as well as in the pinned comment so that you can get the right rivets, the right part, and have the tools and things you need to do this. And after all is said and done, you'll be able to take your seat and close it up and go riding. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.